Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine. Now Jay and I have been talking about doing this for a little while, so here it is, a day in the life of Shaun Stenning. Okay, so it's about 4:10 a.m. in the morning. Our first tour today is out for a pickup at 5 a.m. so I got to get to the office and check the weather so that I can make sure that our guest is going to go out in good conditions. We've had a few days of hit and miss conditions, so one of the things that we do is we always update our guests the day of the tour if we see a condition different to what we predicted. So if you've booked with us, you'll know that we send weather updates the day prior. In the event that the weather is different on the day, I'll contact you and let you know whether you should go or not. So I'm on the way to the office. I'm going to do a quick stop past 7-Eleven to grab some energy and then off to the office and get started with the day. So I live about 7 minutes from the pier, so I'll be at the office quite early. I can see some messages already coming in on our WhatsApp channels. I actually run two phones. I use one to talk to our guests. I'm in every single guest group chat and I handle all inbound inquiries that come in by WhatsApp. We're moving into high season, so we have group chats for the next 60 days set up. Normally about 20 bookings a day, so it's about 1,200 group.
Boom! 2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
Chats that I'm in, so by the time I get to the office, I'm straight into reading and replying to group chats. Now we do have a customer service team who help do that, but one of those parts of personalized services, I like to read each group chat just to make sure that what we're telling our guests is exactly what we're going to deliver, and then I can help our team, deliver a truly 5-star experience. The second phone I run is for my internal team, so we have about 68 full-time staff. Once you add contract staff, bus driver team, and other bits and pieces, we're around 100 staff that we're dealing with. We've got group chats with them to talk about what we need from them, what the orders are for the day. So I keep up to date with both what's going on the customer side of the business and also what's going on the business side of the business. So this is where the magic happens, all parked up right here now at 5-Star Marine. If you're coming on a tour with us, you're going to get dropped into this section here and you're going to walk in. You're going to see our great weather board, which Jay came up with, and this is our check-in area. So you're going to take a seat in one of the seats here. You're going to come over and you're going to have a look at our famous map where our guide's going to take you through what the day's going to look like. Now I'm first person here this morning, so I am going to get the office unlocked, but before I do, just give you a quick view on the pier. Everybody's all nice and quiet here. It's a beautiful time of the morning to be here, nice and peaceful. I love early starts, gives me time to center myself before I get on to work. So I'm just going to head on into the office and get started. So once the van driver has dropped you off, this is the inside of the office. This is where you're going to come and see the team. This is where our cashier and operations team sit. They're going to collect payment for the day. You can see right now breakfast is not yet set up. The team will do that in the next 20 minutes or so for the first guest. I work towards the back here. That's my desk there. I'm going to go get all situated and start replying to some chats. So this is the work setup here. It's 3 screens. First phone sitting over there. Second phone I'm recording on now. This screen you see here is going to be WhatsApp for my internal staff and some of the internal systems we have. Middle screen is WhatsApp for our guests and other messaging platforms like Line, Messenger and Telegram. And this screen here is going to be for all of our management systems, our booking system, our fleet management system, our GPS system, weather, radar, all of those kind of things. So that's a setup. Now I'm going to go through, give our guests who are heading out this morning a bit of an update. You won't hear from me for a little while. I got a few hours worth of work to do, so it's all here computer based, but let's see what the day brings.
A few inches later.
So I'm often asked, how do I keep up to date and manage everything that's going on? I use mind maps. I use Mind Manager. This is my current mind map for the day of things that I want to follow up or do. It updates all day. I add things, delete things as they're done, and just keep managing through the day. As I said, though, heading over to our WhatsApps. And as you can see, I listen to podcasts while I'm working here, just to keep the mind growing and learning new things as much as I can.
Feel the rhythm and rainbow.
Alright guys, so just cleared out the WhatsApp. Some guests have started to go out. You can see behind us some boats are gone. Some of our staff are having breakfast. Off to get some water, then back to preparing bookings for tomorrow. So just popped upstairs to take a look at what's going on with the fleet this morning. As you can see, it's a perfect view of all the boats. About 3 or 4 boats out so far this morning. The marina's nice. One of the things that we're doing when we're talking about weather is we're actually looking at the trees to see how much they're moving. A tree that's not moving that much means we're having a pretty good wind condition. So at the moment today the trees are pretty quiet. So generally speaking, it's a cloudy day, but an okay day to go out on the sea. From here on in, we have a new boat coming to the water about 10:30 this morning, so I've got to go down and get ready to bring that boat to water. Alright, so this is where the weird part of the day comes in. Most mornings I don't have time to shave before I come to work, so here at work I've got a bathroom. I'm going to shave, so for the rest of the day I'm going to look a little bit more presentable. Well, there you go, looking a lot better, and actually just having a walk around our next door cafe. So if you ever come on tour and you're looking to pick up some snacks or some beer or some drinks before you come on the boat, you can see it's a pretty good supply of it here. Even a few things that shaving cream and mouthwash and all this, and even some clothes just in case you forgot your swimming clothes as well. So this is all here at the next door cafe. Walking out and have a quick look at the boats. You can see a few more boats have gone out. Not many left to go for the rest of the day. Once these 4 here are gone, that's it for the day. I just want to let you know it's 10:30. Ringo's here. All the team are here. They're all working, but there's someone missing. Where's Jay? So I've come outside to look for Jay. Yeah, he's always talking about how tired he is and how hard he's working, but I just can't seem to find him. So we just took delivery of a new rib here, which is planned to go into our movie fleet. Literally hasn't even been out, just off the trailer, straight into the water and getting fuel. Always just tying her up, getting her ready. You guys know I've been looking for Jay since 3 a.m. Apparently he's this hard-working guy, he never sleeps, you know, always working, creating content. And so I managed to find a few minutes to jump down and see the new boat.
Shaun, can I just say, I'm not always sleeping. I just might have a couple of afternoon naps because I'm old.
Let me guess, you've been sleeping on this boat since it's been getting it ready.
I found this boat and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get on it because this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is our brand new boat, Shark 1.
Really?
Whoa.
Well, the name we're testing.
I was looking for the handle. So I think Shark 1's a great name. But anyway, I'm going to do a walkthrough, Shaun. So we're going to start at the front. This is the front, and then we're going to go to the back. Oh. And this is the back. There you go. That's your rib walkthrough. I'll do it properly, but no, this is our brand new boat. It's really good. We're going to use it for loads of different things. It's got a cool engine on the back, a little Honda 140, so it's got a load of power, which is cool. This is exciting. This is called a sky pole, and we can attach a rope to that and do stuff.
And Lucas is most excited about the bit at
All
the top.
fishing things. Look, we can put some poles in here. We can catch some little fishies, and I can sit here. This is interesting. Now that's going to hurt when I sit on that, isn't it? I can get quite excited about that. How does it? Oh no! Look. The only thing it's lacking, Shaun, is a J coffee holder.
Oh, don't worry, we're getting that and a sound system put on it.
Oh, sound system. But look, and also the cool thing is, it's got a ladder so you can get in and out from the side, away from the engine, which is really cool. But it also does have a ladder at the back if you need it. And it's got a huge space where you can lie at the front, look. Better be careful here. Where you can just relax and chill out. I should have toweled it first because it's quite wet.
So as well as doing movies with this boat, we are going to have some very hush-hush secret, can't tell you about them, programs coming up very soon.
What movies are we doing on this boat, Shaun?
We have something coming up very, very soon that we're not allowed to talk about because I signed it with the NBA.
What? Another, are you playing with the NBA again?
Yeah.
What I really like is the roof is higher so it doesn't hit your head.
And it's also got that light, so when you're doing a 5 a.m. run to the movies, you'll be able to...
3 a.m. run.
Yeah.
No, I really like it. I like it all. Shaun, you've done a very good job. Well done. And I like the fact you're going to call it Shark One.
A bunch of future plans coming forward on this. Come up with some details soon. It'll get up on the website. There'll be some packages for it. This is going to be a cool boat for a very small group of people. You know, one family, maybe a couple. And as a hint, a great way to see the bioluminescence if you've got a short amount of time. So guys, the day continues upstairs right now. Just done a bunch of meetings about some tours that we've got coming up, talking about weather and tour plans, and we're also doing some renovation here as our upstairs area transforms. Most of our guests never come to this area, but this is the heart of the company where our accounting, admin and operations team all get together and work. I'm going to flip the camera around. You can see a bunch of people moving desks. As you can see, full renovation mode here. Anyway, that's next part of the day. Still haven't had lunch yet though. I don't know what happened. I thought Jay was going to be bringing lunch. So my day continues to get more interesting. I've got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and this particular doctor won't see me unless I've done a COVID test. So here I am sitting upstairs doing a COVID test, still without lunch.
So, just had a message from Shaun about lunch, and apparently I was supposed to bring lunch to Shaun. Well, I've got my own lunch, which is a ham and mustard and crispy sandwich. Well, yummy, and obviously washed down with a healthy Diet Coke. Yum, I'm happy. And if Shaun, you want some lunch, let's go university level pot noodle, baby. If that's what you want, I'll send it to you now. Okay, thanks. Good sandwich, that. I made it.
Alright guys, it's 3:30, almost a 12-hour day. We're heading down to the Rawai area for a business meeting. After that, hopefully pick up Lucas for a game of basketball at home and then sign off for the evening. But what that means is continue to reply to WhatsApp on both phones, as you can see beeping away. So that's a life, the day in the life of Shaun, I suppose, here at 5 Star Marine. It does get a lot more interesting on the days I get out on a boat, so I might film one of those days in the future as well. Please like, subscribe, and shout out to Jay for your awesome work doing this video. He was meant to come and film it all, meant to deliver food for lunch, and I don't know where he's been all day. Not even certain he works for 5 Star Marine anymore. Alright guys, bye.